How to manage the simple products in Wcart. Start by navigating to the Products section from the dashboard and click on Add Product. Select the type of product as Simple Product in Options. Enter the product title and add a detailed description that highlights the key features and benefits of your product. Next, upload high-quality images to showcase your product. You can add a featured image as well as multiple gallery images to give customers a complete view. Once your media is ready, configure the product settings. Move to the pricing section, enter the regular price, and, if required, add a sale price to attract more customers. In the inventory settings, enable inventory tracking, assign an SKU, add a barcode, and specify the available stock quantity. You can also configure low stock alerts and decide whether customers can place orders when the item is out of stock. For delivery management, define your serviceable areas by including or excluding specific PIN codes. Next, configure the shipping settings by entering the product weight, dimensions, and shipping charges. To improve your product's visibility on search engines, navigate to the SEO listing section. Add an SEO title, meta description, and relevant keywords. Then, set the product status, choose the product type, and organize it by assigning categories and tags. After reviewing all the information, save the product. Your product will now appear in the product list, where you can easily manage, edit, or update it whenever needed. Click the Edit option to edit the product. Here, you can edit the product. After Edit the product, click Update. If you no longer need a product in your store, Wcart also allows you to delete it effortlessly. Simply navigate to the product list, locate the product you want to remove, and click the Delete option. Confirm your action, and the product will be permanently removed from your catalog. Thank you for watching.